Well, the first test getting it installed, the grid tie power jack, 1200 watt. I just got some temporary. I took some of the power sources off of here and transferred them up to there, and we're getting 290 watts. Just as a real quick test, so things are looking up. So now that I got that, I'll spend some time and get some permanent wires set up here. Do a heavy gauge here, run it into here, and I'll tie all these into the one wire and go from there. Alright, well, there it is. It works. So that's what I wanted to test out for today. I also reset. We're only running 30 watts now. Sun just went behind the clouds. It's towards the end of the day. I reset my kilowatt meter, and just only 0.02 kilowatt hours so far. Alright. Anyway, there it is. It works. Thanks. See ya.